Namaste friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vibhor. Actually, before starting this video, I have an amazing news to share with you guys. This week, this channel crossed 100 subscribers. So we are a family of 100 plus members now. Thank you each one of you for supporting so far. We have a long journey ahead, so please keep supporting it by sharing the videos with your friends and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So let's start now. Do you face time management issues, especially during this work from home culture? Because of this new normal, many of us often face problems of time management and balancing our personal and professional lives together while working full time from home. Well, I'm not different. I also face such problems. Planning your schedule effectively is very important to be successful in your professional life, while it's equally important to spend adequate time with your family. Means managing your personal life effectively as well. So in this video, I'm going to share some time management techniques that hopefully should help you to be the better version of yourself. So let's get started. Number one is plan your day. Make your schedule and set your goals and rewards for the day. Time boxing is a popular technique used by people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates. It's a technique in which we list down all our tasks for the day and assign them appropriate time as per the complexity of the tasks, its priority, etc. So plan your day ahead of time in your diary or mobile phone or any online calendar, and most importantly, stick to it. Personally, I prefer using my mobile phone and using notes in it, like since we carry a phone wherever we go. While carrying a diary may not be feasible always. Also, plan your next day ahead before going for sleep the previous day. Don't waste next day morning on that. Planning a day ahead can be helpful no matter if you are an employee or a student. Second is be flexible to your schedule. Based on my experience, I can tell you 90% of the time your work will exceed the time allocated to it. The reason is fairly simple. We humans often make over optimistic time estimations. We just don't want to anticipate any traffic, any hurdle, and odds in our path. We just want the journey to be smooth. That's why I say be flexible to your schedule. Allow small tweaks in your schedule. Don't be like robots. Rather, try to enjoy the entire process, the journey of doing your tasks. Not just the end goal or the result should only matter to you. If you want to incorporate more structure to your life and maximize your productivity, you should definitely do that. Number three is prioritize your work. Prioritizing your work is necessary to ensure that you do not miss any of your deadlines. Push your least priority tasks to the end of the day or for the weekends, and try to finish your highest priority tasks as soon as possible. Number four is stay away from distractions. Mobile phones and other distractions should be your biggest enemies when you are doing something productive. How many of you can control yourself at the time you hear your mobile phone ringing or you hear the notifications of your messages? I can bet very few. Even I can't sometimes. So it's better to put your phone on silent until you complete your productive work. Distractions can lead you frustrations and sometimes lead to low productivity, as you might fail to complete your tasks on time. Number five is take adequate breaks. Taking adequate breaks and naps in between your tasks can make you really productive. You can take 10 minutes break once in every 45 to 50 minutes preferably. You can use this task to balance your personal life. Talking with your dear ones and spending time with them can make you really happy and freshen up your mind as well. Based on my experience, if you are stuck in some error for more than an hour, Trust me, leave that work. Go for a nice little walk or sleep, and when you get back with a fresh mind, most of the time you will get the solution. Also, try not to be overwhelmed with your tasks. Don't add your routine work to your list to avoid clogging your more important tasks. Trust me, like checking your Facebook handle, WhatsApp, etc., are your routine tasks, and no matter whether you schedule them or not, you will definitely not going to miss it. All right. So these are some of the techniques for time management based on my experience. I hope they really help you. Leave a comment down below for a favorite technique and how you manage your entire day. I would really love to hear them. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Good luck, and remember, don't procrastinate. Tomorrow is what you do today. So until next time, bye, and thanks for watching.